We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2020 Golf R, protected with a Meta Bluetooth immobiliser, where you have two tags. Just carry one on your keys, one's a spare. Simply get in the car, press the button, receive a flash, you're good to start. If you don't do that, or a thief gets this key, does a relay attack, copies the key, goes to start the vehicle up, the vehicle's simply not going to start. It's not going anywhere. You have 10 seconds to prove it's you by pressing the button. If not, on this system, we're going to get the upgraded call alert the customer's chosen, along with horn firing, hazard flash. To disarm, we just press the button, disarms and silences it. So if you're around the corner, you're going to get the call. If you're next door or in the house, you're going to hear it. Hazards are going to go off. Everyone in your house or in your road's going to know someone's attacked it. For you to drive it, nice and simple, you just get in the car, press the button, receive your flash, you're good to start and drive away. If a thief breaks into the house, takes the key with the tag, they can obviously press the button, disarm it and drive away. So on this system, the customer's gone for tracking as well as remote immobilisation. So on here, we can see where the vehicle is. Say a thief's taken the keys, taken the tag, disarmed the system and drove the car away. Go in here, if we zoomed in, you see where the vehicle is currently. Go in here, turn the immobilisation on, and you see the vehicle dies. It's not going anywhere. They're not going to be able to drive it. So it's going to stop the vehicle. Now, if they've got the tag, try and disarm it by pressing it and then starting. The vehicle's just not going to start up at all. So we'll answer and end that, confirming that the vehicle's come to a standstill. They're not driving it any further. When we get to it, you zoom in, find the vehicle, get there, you turn the immobilisation off, get a call, command successful. And now, when you turn up to the vehicle, we'll press the button to disarm the immobiliser. It's disarmed on the app and the vehicle fires up. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's a 2020 Golf R with the Meta tag based immobiliser. Fires the horn, fires the hazards if someone tries to steal the vehicle. Simply disarm it with a press of a button and drive away. If someone grabbed the tag, we have the optional tracking, remote immobilisation and the call alerts. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.